At the heart of local government is a simple expectation: service. Not in theory, but in practice. Communities expect to see it, to feel it, to benefit from it. Through roads that are maintained, through markets that function, through primary healthcare services, through basic education support, through sanitation and environmental management. These are not abstract responsibilities. They are everyday realities, and they define how people experience government. Over time, working within local government environments, one thing becomes clear to me. Service delivery is not accidental. It is structured. It depends on planning, on coordination, on execution. It begins with understanding needs. Communities are not all the same. Each has its priorities, its challenges, its expectations. So engagement becomes very important through community leaders, through traditional institutions, through direct interaction with the people. Because when needs are clearly understood, responses become more effective. But understanding alone is not enough. There must be structure. Departments must function. Roles must be clear. Resources must be aligned with priorities. Because service delivery requires coordination across multiple units within the system. Health, works, agriculture, education, environment, each playing a role, each contributing to outcomes. And then comes execution. Plans must translate into actions. Project must move beyond approvals to implementation. Service must move beyond intention to delivery. Because at the community level, what matters is not what is planned, it is what is done. There is also the role of monitoring, ensuring that services are actually reaching the people, that projects are completed, that standards are maintained. Because delivery must be sustained, not occasional, not inconsistent. And when service delivery is effective, something important happens. Trust begins to build. Communities become more engaged, participation increases, confidence in leadership grows. Because people respond to what they can see and experience. This is what gives meaning to governance. Not just structure, not just policy, but impact. Impact that is visible, impact that is consistent, impact that improves everyday life. And this is a true measure of local government performance. In our next conversation, we will take a closer look at an important enabler of service delivery, how data and information systems can support better planning, better decision, and better outcomes. This is The Representative, exploring ideas that strengthen governance and transforms representation, one idea at a time.